Every smile tells a story, and every story creates an impression. That's why we've invested in the latest digital imaging technology. In just a couple of minutes, our Itero element scanner can capture an incredibly accurate digital impression of your teeth. Once complete, we can use this model to begin the journey to the smile you've always wanted and deserve. The 3D digital impression can be used with all Invisalign-related services, including the Invisalign Outcome Simulator that will show you what your new smile might look like. Say goodbye to the gooey mess associated with the traditional way of taking impressions, and say hello to a more comfortable procedure. Itero Element Scanner and our practice, working together to create a lasting first impression for you and your smile.